Tecplot 360 is the leading visual data analysis program for engineers and scientists. We continually improve our features, processing speed, and ability to load an ever-increasing number of data formats to extract the most from your data. We are excited to announce major new modules in Tecplot 360 that address fundamental issues in our industry and provide our users with new and efficient ways to interact with their data. The past several years, we've seen explosive growth in the availability of HPC resources, which has led to two problems in the computational physics market. Simulations with larger and larger grids are being performed on remote machines. Design studies and database generation have skyrocketed, with the availability of new optimization tools and fast codes. There is a growing demand for visualization and analysis tools that can not only load large grids quickly, but can also help make sense of the large number of simulations. Tecplot 360 includes capabilities that will allow you to load large grids and to extract important knowledge from ensembles of simulations. Tecplot Chorus is a unique design space exploration tool which helps you analyze datasets from multiple simulations and allows you to operate on the metadata. You have more confidence in your designs when you understand design performance and limits, and gain insights into the underlying physics. Tecplot Chorus is fast, flexible, and easy to use, and it helps you accurately understand your data and communicate your results to others. We believe in the emerging need for engineers and scientists to visualize results from multiple simulations at once, and Tecplot Chorus makes this possible. With the sheer volume of simulation data being produced today, a fast and robust method to automate tools across your entire toolchain is a necessity. PyTecplot, a new Python API in Tecplot 360, enables automation and simplifies linking workflows together. You will benefit from the power and flexibility of Python, which has become the language of engineering and science. With the increased availability of HPC resources comes growing grid size and the need to access the data remotely. Remoting into visualization nodes can be frustrating because latency and resource contention is often experienced. SZL Server is a client-server module for viewing large datasets located on your HPC, eliminating the slow process of copying data locally. Because SZL Server is based on our proprietary SZL technology, it uses little memory, few CPU resources, and needs no graphics card on the server side. SZL, or Sub-Zone Load on Demand, is our proprietary technology that allows tremendous speedups in data transfer and reduces memory usage by subdividing volume domains and loading only the data required to create a plot. SZL also yields smaller file sizes for most data types with lossless compression. This technology is the backbone of our SZL file format and the SZL server. Your purchase or renewal of Tecplot 360 includes 1 year of Tech Plus maintenance service, which gives you access to Tecplot Chorus, to explore large datasets composed of multiple solutions or experiments. PyTecplot, a Python API to speed automation and link workflows together. SZL Server, for lightweight remote data access. Tech Plus also gives you all product updates released throughout the year and our Tier 1 technical support. You can learn these new tools quickly with accelerated education and training programs. Sign up for 1 hour of free training, watch on-demand video tutorials, register for webinars, and attend regular Ask the Expert Q&A sessions. Try Tecplot 360 2017 for free at www.tecplot.com/360.